Inspired by the work of Danny Harmon of Distant Signal Productions, I decided to pick up my video camera and do a little filming on the S-Line in my area, Marion County, Florida. The S-Line is a former Seaboard Coastline route, now owned by CSX. This opening shot is in Bellevue, located in southern Marion County. I'm a little north of the 441 overpass, which is just south of town. I like this section, located between the Summerfield and Santos sidings, as it has a right curve in the distance, a long straight with a dip and a hill, and then a left curve still on an incline. You can tell the engines will start to pull a little harder as this northbound freight moves by. It's a little breezy on this fine May morning. Now I'll follow a few more blocks north along Baseline Road, following the tracks. This area of Bellevue offers an open straight over several crossings, just before the line enters the Santos siding. Listen as the engineer gives me a little extra on the horns as they pass by my location. The S-Line currently sees about 20 trains a day, and that is expected to increase by about 50% over the next 3 years due to rerouting of trains off the A-Line. The A-Line is the former Atlantic Coastline route, which runs from Jacksonville south through Orlando to the Lakeland, Tampa, Bone Valley area. The A-Line still sees Amtrak service and most likely commuter rail soon, in addition to freight. Amtrak service on the S-Line was discontinued about 4 years ago, unfortunately, and was replaced by a shuttle bus from Palatka south. After this train passes, we'll head next up 441 north into the Ocala area. The S-line crosses over 441 as you enter Ocala. Here's a shot of a southbound mixed freight moving from the Singletary siding towards Santos. You'll hear the engineer call the north end Santos signal in a minute. There is also a talking defect detector about a mile south of here. Traffic frequency varies throughout the day. I am shooting on a weekend which sees scattered traffic throughout. Weekday traffic currently seems more concentrated in the afternoon and evening. Scanners help, but if you have the capability to utilize ATCS monitoring mobily, it is helpful as you can find other adventures in the area to occupy your time between trains. I've now moved up 441 north a few blocks and turned left onto Southwest 17th Street. There is an overpass finally being constructed over this busy road, part of the preparation for future expansion of traffic on the S-line. This train is about to enter the Singletary siding and head past the Ocala Depot. You may have noticed the concrete plant on both sides of 17th Street. CSX sets out cars on the siding on the south side, which is then switched by what I believe is an older Alco unit. Unfortunately, there is no decent access to get a shot at that unit of work. In Volume 2, I'll venture to downtown Ocala towards the depot for more of horse country train action.